Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. Well, 3 years of work to get right here. This is absolutely fantastic. We're very, very excited today. This is the power of long-term investing. Doing your research, staying in the course, and never leaving the markets. Go through the ups and the downs. Dig the ditches in the hard times, getting ready for the good times. That is the very nature of what investing is all about. I'm not a trader. I will take trades when necessary, but right now it's about digging ditches and remaining in. And I've also put my money where my mouth is, and I've used my margin quite considerably because we had macro conditions, we had false claims, we had Donald Trump saying the world would come to an end, or the USA would come to an end in 48 hours. That never happened. We had all kinds of external macro conditions to say, to drive the markets down. We had those rotate out of high tech, great quality businesses, well-run managed companies with buckets of money, great innovation, problem solving, all these kind of things, and say, no, I'm selling all of that because I want to buy a lot of rubbish on the Russell, which they did. That presented opportunity for me. I looked at the balance sheets. I studied it. I waited. I bought more. I bought more. I bought more. I turned the margin on. I bought a lot more. I didn't go anywhere. I stayed here. Now we're about to reach all-time highs. $80,000 on my brokerage account, $25,000 on the Roth IRA, and 105.8 now, nearly 106. The all-time high is 107. So we're not quite there at an all-time high. But let me explain. Right now, I'm up 2% today, 1,600 just in my brokerage account. I've got margin applied, so I am basically amplifying what's going on. If we look at my Roth IRA, which is just the S&P, you will see the S&P is up 1.25, and I am in fact up 2.1. So I'm virtually doubling the market. I'm beating the market by approximately double, thereabouts. Now then, if I was in a more tech-weighted stock, ETF perhaps, or individual stock, say Nvidia, for example, I would be up a lot more today. In fact, I would be up, if we look at Nvidia, 7%. Now, 7% is a nice rally today. However, I prefer to hold and own and never sell the index. So I actually own about $7,000 worth of Nvidia without actually owning it or being affected by the day-to-day price of it, if you like. Because what's going to happen now is a lot of money is going to come out of the Russell, but it's going to go into quality stocks of the S&P that have not yet performed that well, which will perform well now because we're going to get rate cuts. Doesn't bother Nvidia. They don't actually care if rates are down. In fact, they prefer if rates are up. It crushes the competition and earns them money on their cash. The reason why the S&P is the best place to be today, and it's probably the best place to be for the rest of the year, is because you are not receptive to individual stock fluctuation, but you are going to benefit from the power of the tech on the index. And remember, the index is tech weighted, not as much as the NASDAQ, but also the Russell will sell off and come into the lower levels of the S&P and buy up the quality stocks. So you've now got everything going up in the S&P. And I mean everything. If we look today at the heat map, let me share with you the heat map. This is the heat map right now of the S&P. You will see pretty much everything is green. There's a bit of red there. Microsoft is just having a delayed reaction. I expect that to be up today as well. They had a good earnings last night, and we learned at the end about their going forward with their AI. So I expect this to bounce back. When it does, it will pull up Nvidia even more, Tesla even more, and of course the S&P even more. So this is absolutely a perfect day. It also leads in, okay, let me just get this right here. It also, face lock, there we go. It also leads into the FOMC report today, the Fed. We're going to cover it all live. So this was made during a live video, so hopefully you subscribe to the channel. And yesterday you were with us for a viral moment. We had a viral moment when many other YouTubers, and I'm not even a YouTuber, I've said this over and over again, I'm the world piano man, I'm an entertainer, but I'm also an investor, and I use YouTube to broadcast because YouTube is TV and I want to be on TV. I'm not a YouTuber. I'm not making videos just so you click on them and you subscribe to me. No, I'm serving the public and I'm trying to build a live audience every day, 12 hours a day, sharing with you the truth. Others on YouTube have been saying doom and gloom. Meet Kevin is doing it right now. It's doom and gloom. Everything's going down because that sells videos. I just tell you how it is. If it's great, I say it's great. If it's rubbish, I say it's rubbish. I also share with you my real trades, my real money, put my money where my mouth is. You can see all my money on view. This is my bank account. I have no money in Bank of America, no money in my Lloyd's account in England, and no money in my Chase. It's all here on view. I do what I say and I say what I do. Today, we're going to get the FOMC report and we're going to cover it live. This is the very definition of investing. Dig the ditches, read the balance sheets, understand what's going on. Don't listen to anyone on YouTube, including me, that's trying to get you to watch videos. I'm not doing that, however. I'd love you to subscribe to my channel. However, I'm not going to tell you it's doom and gloom when it isn't, just because that sells more videos. That's not what this is about. And that's why 98% of our live viewers are members. Nvidia bounced exactly where we said. Last night, Sensei came on the show, did a tech report, a technical analysis, and said it would bounce off 100. He said on the technicals it would. I said on the fundamentals, and it did exactly that. Not because we're mind readers and we're clever, and not because we guessed, because we looked at the numbers and it was quite obvious what's going on. I have said now for 18 months, the rates would come down in the summer of 2024. For those of you that want to pick me up on that, summer ends mid-September. It ends mid-September. We are going to get a rate cut of the summer of 2024. How did I know 18 months ago? How could I be so certain? And I've been saying the same thing every day, every week, every month for 18 months because it was obvious. The numbers don't lie. And in fact, the US is the problem right now as the Fed use backward lagging indicators. The UK, Europe, India don't, and they've dropped rates again today. The Bank of the Bank of England is about to drop rates in the UK again for the second time, and Virgin Money and I think NatWest have already reduced their mortgages today. It's already happening. The US is just behind. That's all. We've known it for ages. Doesn't matter what people say on YouTube, doesn't matter about the noise. What matters are the numbers. Do the calculations, sit back, relax, understand what you own, and love it. What a great day. I've dreamed of this day, 3 years in the making, and here it is. And just to show you once again, I am all in. There is my margin, 52572.3. Couldn't be much more in than that, could I? Really? That is showing you that my commitment is what I say, and I say what I do. We're live right now. Join us for more live shows. I'm going to get back to my live audience. Click above my head for all the links down below in the description. Over here and over here, I'll put the FOMC report and something else, probably my analysis videos down here. Have a great day. Do your research. Know why you bought it in the first place. Sit back and relax and let your investments grow. 95% of traders lose money. Just let it grow. Take your time and buy the dips when it's required. Until then, take care of yourselves and each other. Right. Welcome everybody. Welcome everybody on TikTok this morning. We've got a big audience on TikTok. If you would like a warm welcome from 62 countries in 14 languages, our full-time traders and investors who are with me every single day on YouTube. This is the YouTube broadcast you are watching right now. If you click the profile here, come out of the live show on TikTok, and you can jump into YouTube. And if you say, I'm from TikTok, you will get a special welcome from all of us on YouTube. There's a special moment that happens when you come from TikTok to YouTube. Just say, hi, I'm from TikTok, and you'll get a great welcome. Should you prefer to stay on TikTok, but you'd like me to do reviews for you? I do full analysis reviews, full technical charts. Hello, James007. He's just jumped in. You can see him on the screen. Thank you, James. Click the star, become a subscriber. It's the same as being a member on YouTube. You don't get all the YouTube perks, but you do get one of the perks on YouTube, which is you can have a review done, and I'll do a full review. And then on Sundays, you can visit Sensei's show on my channel here on the Sunday, and he'll do a technical chart for you as well. It's a perk you get if you are a subscriber of my channel. Just click the star just there. Right, let me get back to our live viewers. What have we got right now? Good morning, GoDB. Hi, GoDB. Good morning, family. David Ewan. Hi, David. Hello. Razvan, good morning to you. Wow, what a day. Just bought 4,000 shares of Tilray. Let's have a look at Tilray. Yes, let's have a quick look at Tilray. Tilray is barcoding. Tilray is barcoding. Be very, very careful. Tilray is barcoding at the moment. So I have been reviewing my portfolio over time. I just 2x over 4 years. Congratulations, GoDB. Wow, David, welcome to the Green Gang. Excellent stuff. Mike, John, good morning, Lance Strength. Hi, Lance. Good morning, Mike, Hustle, Martin, David, and everybody, basically. James. I wish I enjoyed the green like most, but offshore won't let me yet. Okay, David Ewan. But I believe in the weed business since I was in 7th grade. Oh, heck yeah. Okay. Don't Bogart that joint, my friend, was a crazy song back in the day. Congratulations, Martin. Thank you so much indeed. Mike, do appreciate that. Yes, very much. Because I can't read all these comments out. Good morning, Octavio. Good morning to you. Mike, do not put my leaves directly in the sun. Oh, hang on. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Stephen Lewandowski. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Reading all the comments. Andrew Barrell, good morning to you. Good morning, good morning. Afternoon, everyone from a rainy UK. Stephen Lewandowski. Stephen Bill, good afternoon. And Yayo Lobo. Hello, Martin. Let's have a great day, everyone. Absolutely right. Now then, you need to understand. Just because we are having a rally this morning on the markets, it doesn't mean to say it's all upward. It isn't. Inflation rose in Europe today. Just don't want to scare everybody, but when we always do, we get volatility on the FOMC report. It pumps up, it sells off, it pumps up, it sells off. Don't buy now. You should have already bought. This is the time to reap your, hang on a minute. That's not right. Submit feedback. Okay, just had to do something on TikTok. Always getting security issues on TikTok. It's absolutely ridiculous. You can't speak. Okay, what was I going to say? Yeah, there will be volatility today, so just bear that in mind. I forgot what I was going to say, then got interrupted by TikTok. Good morning from Balmy, 102 degrees, deep south. I'm in Dallas today, so I know what you mean. Dustin Prince, good to have you here. Congratulations, Martin. Your portfolio looking excellent today. Thank you so much. If we look at the overall position, we're at 105. 107,000 is the all-time high. 105.9. I would have thought we'd make it today. I would have thought today could be more like 110,000 actually. So that's what I think could happen today. We do have to bear in mind there'll be volatility before we get there, though. This is not a one-way street today. Right, now then, do you think Nvidia could go below 100? Nope. No, I don't. I think Nvidia, in fact, I will do an Nvidia video for you now. An Nvidia video. I like it. And then video. Top. I don't know. Full economy. Okay. What's the time now? Let's do an Nvidia video. Oh, by the way, congratulations to Simone Biles and Team USA. And I'd also like to thank you, because I've got a viral video blown up on my music channel this morning. A short. It did 1,000 views within about 3 seconds. As I congratulated Simone Biles and sang Sweet Caroline. 1,000 views in like 3 seconds. Boom. Like that. I mean, literally, it went boom. 1,000 seconds. 1,000 views in 3 seconds. I've never seen anything like it. So thanks to all of you that watched that. If you've not watched my music channel, go and check it out. There's my music channel. Oh, hang on a minute. That's not working. Let me fix that. Here we go. So let me just drag that up to there. Okay. Music. Latest. Okay. So how do I do that then? Why isn't that working? Music channel. Why does it do this every day? It didn't used to do this, but we are doing it now. Let me have a quick look. Let me just bear with me a second. Sorry about this. I just got to fix this. It didn't used to do this. Now it's doing it nearly every day. Just bear with me. Let's try again. Okay, so it's lost. It's lost the comment. So tune. Oops, a daisy. Oops. Tune into my music channel. Okay, let me just do this. Just bear with me a second. Only me a second. Just got to fix a problem. If I don't fix it straight away, it will just not get fixed, and then all hell will break loose. Okay, that's done. Let's try this. Bloody hell, what's wrong with this? Just bear with me a second. I'm nearly there. Hopefully this will work. Ta-da! Don't know why that's a dead button. Can't understand that, but anyway, never mind. Is it working? Yes, it is. Okay, fixed it. Okay, so sorry about that confusion. If you want to go and check out my music channel, I've just given you the link. Please do. I've just had a viral moment. I had 1,000 views in 3 seconds, literally. This is it here. I just wished Simone, hang on, I've got to really refresh the screen. Simone Biles from Team USA, congratulations. Now, that's not right. It says 161 views. It's not. It's actually 1,000. It doesn't register on YouTube straight away. Trust me, it is 1,000. If I click on it, you should better see it somewhere. Where does it say? Descriptions, captions. Doesn't say there, but it is 1,000 views. Don't know why it says that. Anyway, go and check that out. Congratulations to Simone Biles, and we will do a concert Friday night, and we'll congratulate Team USA, Team UK for all their success in the golds. This is the request show on Friday night. If you want a song or a concert, there you go. Join in on Friday night, and I'll do your favourite songs for you, and we'll celebrate all the success of everybody, including us. How about that? All right, let me just come back to the main channel. I don't know why it only showed 160. It's actually 1,000. Anyway, because of that, you know what I'm like. I have to show you now because it will just do my head in. Can't have one person thinking, oh, he's exaggerating. No, I'm not. There you go. There you go. Look at that. I'm getting the fireworks and everything. Yeah, look. There you go. Look at this. Got the fireworks. The fireworks on YouTube, 1,100 in the first few seconds. It literally went straight up. I'll do it again so you can see it. There you go. See the little fireworks. You get that from YouTube if you have like a blowout video. 1,100 views in, it was literally 3 seconds. Anyway, there you go. I had to share that because there'll be someone going, I don't believe it. Well, now you do, right? Anyway, let's get back to what we were doing. If you could all subscribe to me right now, I'd really appreciate it. Shall I ask one more time? I never asked you, did I? If you could subscribe to my music channel, I'm trying to get to 10,000 subscribers so I can do fundraiser events. Because at 10,000, I can turn on YouTube giving and I can do fundraiser events and do charity events where all the money goes directly to the charities. That's what I want to do. I've got 5,883. So I need a few thousand more, but I'm on the way. So if you would subscribe to me, you don't have to watch my music or anything, but it really, really would help if you did that. Because at some point, I'd like to be able to do some more fundraiser events. We haven't done any for a while, but now I can do them with YouTube giving, where all the money, no credit card fees, no taxes, goes directly to the charity, right? Pretty good. Okay, let's have a look. Martin, is December the next typical sell-off period, or is there something before that in the calendar? You're talking about the people selling off in December for tax positions. I don't ever go on that because it presents more opportunity than not. There are other external conditions, but really they're not reliable. Everyone says, oh, this is going to happen, and it doesn't, and then this is going to happen, and it doesn't. So I don't go on those things. There are people on YouTube and CNBC will tell you every December everyone sells, and every October everyone sells, and September is a slow month traditionally. I don't believe any of those things. I just find those opportunities. It's not reliable enough. It's good headlines. People love to say it, but it's not 100%, and people know it. So, you know, it's kind of, I don't talk about those sort of things, to be honest. I don't give them any value. I feel I might have an itchy fingers today to sell at a downward movement today. I have lost out on all recent drops. Do you expect a big drop again with everyone selling if it's 112? You're talking about Nvidia right now? Right, okay, let me make an Nvidia video because everyone's asking about it, right? Lucid ripe for run. Lucid would only do well if it fired Peter Rawlinson. Peter Rawlinson is the 4th highest paid CEO in America. He's ridiculous. He's taken all the money out of Lucid for himself. The company is going private. It does, and it has invented and created the best EV in the world, probably. But the guy is a complete bloody lunatic, which is a shame, really. He's from England, but he talks absolute crap. He pays himself $500 million a year. The company loses money every time it sells a car. And he'll come on the earnings, and I know because I've covered them all. He'll come on the earnings and tell you his cars are worth 200 grand. The guy is lunatic. He wants the company to go private. He pays himself all the money so he can destroy it. I wouldn't touch Lucid if it was the last stock in the world. Anything that's run by anyone that talks rubbish, I can't buy it. Because it's just silly. Why do you want to buy something run by a lunatic? I mean, bloody bonkers. He should be fired. I mean, the shareholders should demand he gets fired. Anyway, welcome, Martyn, Dustin Stock. Welcome, Stephen Ludowski. Florida, do you mean Nvidia? Tune in. Yeah, get ready for... Yeah. I wouldn't touch it with the barge pole. Hi, Jenny. Good morning, Jenny. Good morning to you. I'm trying to get through to the Nvidia video. Loop the music channel, please. Oh, that's so kind. We are, by the way, we are 30 hours away from 4,000 watch hours. Yep, that's our target. Of course, we've then got to sustain it, but that's our target. Right, okay. Nvidia. Let's talk about Nvidia today. So we'll use this here. NVDA. Right. Okay. Nvidia. NVDA. The time is 28. I got a looper now. Thank you, Mike. Thank you. Right. Okay, here we go. The special Nvidia video. We got time. I can't keep saying that. An Nvidia video. So, NVDA stock. There's no way we could rank for this. If we did, we are literally on fire. No, I didn't think we could rank for that. Not yet. Oh, bloody hell, we're coming up the list. Wow. Okay. Nvidia, probably the most important video I've made, well, since the last most important video. No, this really is an important video, and I'm making it during a live show. You cannot afford to miss what I'm about to tell you, because we've got the FOMC report in a couple of hours. We're going to cover it live. Join us for that. I'll give you the link above my head, below in the description, and posted in the comments, pinned to the top. Last night, Nvidia, we covered it, and we ranked #1 in the world for a few moments, which is incredible because we're a small channel, just coming up to, well, we've got 28,000 subscribers. And if you look here on the homepage of YouTube, incognito, we're on the homepage for NVDA stock, which is pretty cool. It was trending yesterday, and it was trending for this reason. And this is why I want to tell you this, because we put out this video for you last night, this one here, and we were talking about the crash before the pump. Here it is, and it's at 100 times more views than any other video on our channel. 12,000 views in the first few hours. It's only 20 hours now, still growing. It's incredible. But what we did is we talked about Nvidia, and we provided you with the buy zone, the sell zone, the support zones, and we got Sensei on the phone. He called in specially and helped me make this video. Most of you haven't yet seen it. You need to see this before the FOMC report today. All right, this gives you the buy zones, the sell zones, the support levels, and all the rest of it. And we were absolutely spot on from the point of view of fundamentals, which I study, and the technicals, which Sensei studies. And they came together in a perfect storm. First of all, we recognized it. That's why this video blew up. And then we made you this chart video for the FOMC report. What we said was Nvidia would bounce off 100 and then go to 200. The fundamentals dictate it. The technicals prove it, and together it was a perfect storm. There's many reasons why this has happened all at once and why we suddenly ranked #1 in the world for a few moments on Nvidia. It's a huge company, and a small channel like ours has no chance of ranking for such a big thing. That's normally for the million subscriber channels, but we did because the facts were right and we were spot on. The reason why we were spot on is it's not just about Nvidia. It's about the Fed, it's about rate cuts, it's about the rotation, people taking money out of the main index, the NASDAQ, the individual stocks in tech, the S&P, buying the rubbish in the Russell. Now they're all coming back. It was a rotation. And I said to you that it was a manipulation. I don't mean a manipulation of we get all these channels that try to create a cult following saying the hedge funders against the small man, the little man, rubbish. You can all be whatever you want to be. You can be the little man if you think like a little man, or you can be the rich man if you think like a rich man. I think like a rich man, and I've got friends who I associate with. Mark Cuban, I've done the Jerry Jones gig, owns the Cowboys. I associate myself with the billionaires and the millionaires, so I feel the same, even though I'm obviously not. But that's what I do, and I think you should. So don't listen to people who talk rubbish, who try to get views and try to bring you down. Listen to where the money is going. And what happened was we had a rotation out of the mega caps to buy rubbish just to make some quick profits to jump back in again. And here it is. We now know, after we learned from Microsoft earnings last night and Google, we now know that what they're spending on Nvidia. We now know on the next earnings, we're going to have a blow off the top earnings with Nvidia. We know that. We know that. We can see that. 100 was the bottom. 200 is where it's going. I have said, and I'll say it again, it's a 2x. 100%. 100% a 2x. Now, if I believe that, you might say, well, why aren't you buying it then? Why aren't you putting your money where your mouth is? I am. I own it. About $7,000 of it through the S&P, and I put my record amount of margin ever into it. 52572.3. Couldn't be more bullish than that. Now, why don't I just buy Nvidia? Well, I could just buy Nvidia, but the reason why my channel is growing and the reason why I have 98% live viewers who are members, the highest engagement rate in the world, and the reason why CEOs want to be on my show, that's what the Meet the CEO series is they know what I'm saying here is real and honest and true. I don't pump the stocks for my own benefit. I've got everything in life I want. I've done everything I wanted to do. I'm just here to help people, right? So if I start buying individual stocks, people will go, he's pumping the stock. I am not like Matt Kors on Rumble. I am not like Meet Kevin trying to owning a private jet, making money, selling rubbish and promoting crap all the time and telling you to sign up for his training program, and the discount always expires tomorrow. Always. We have a training program and it's free. Ed Nevius provides it for free. So my opinion is, based upon fundamentals of research, of looking at the markets, the rates, the interest, the global economy, not just in the US, but in India, in the UK, in Europe. Rates will come down in September. I've said it for 18 months. Nvidia is going to $200. It bounced off 100. It's clear to me as day, and I will own the S&P and I'll be all in on margin doing it. I don't need to own the individual stocks. That's not good for my channel, and that's not good for my audience. Right, there's Nvidia. It's going up. Do you agree? Now, whether you agree or whether you don't, what you do need to do is listen to the technical charts. So, once again, go and look at this video. We've just put it out for you. It's only a few hours old. It's relevant for today. It was done last night after hours. It's to lead up to the FOMC report. You need to watch that before the FOMC report today. And then, of course, you can join us live for the event itself. We'll be there. And there is the FOMC report, our next event coming up today. All right, Nvidia most certainly is gold. It's the new gold rush. And if you bought at 100, you're going to make a lot of money. Just hold it. Don't trade it. Just hold it. So there you go. If you want the links for the FOMC report and you want the links to the chart, go and look at the technical chart and find the fundamental supports. Click above my head, or you can go right now, I'm making it during a live video, or below in the description. I'll also pin it to the top of the comments. Over here, I shall put the Nvidia chart, and over here, I'll put the FOMC live event. You got to see both of these. See this one first, then join us live for this one. There will be volatility. It will go up and down like a bloody yo-yo. Just buy it when it goes down. Allocate how much you want to put in. If you've got 1,000, you'll put in 500 now, wait for a dip and get 4, and then the other 300, 200, 100, you'll put as incrementally as it drops, or just go all in. That's entirely up to you. Anyway, over here and down here, I'll see you very shortly on the FOMC. Go and check out the chart. Until then, take care of yourselves and each other. Thank you very much indeed, Martin. Just got a Sims ad. Ha ha. Get ready. Oh, ridiculous. He's not even a member of the channel. Promoting rubbish. Don't pay any attention. He's not a member of our channel. We cannot verify that information. Right. Let's get ready. Bells in just a few minutes. Okay. Florida, you're very, very welcome. That will be available as a video very shortly. When I end this, it will be available. So Nvidia. Then short. Okay, let me do a quick short. How long have I got? I've got time to make a quick couple of shorts. So, why can I not see? I'm going mad. I'm going mad. Went mad years ago, just a continuation. There it is. Okay, let me clear that away. Nvidia. Nvidia, last night we went viral and we were #1 in the world for a few moments, and we gave it the precise position for Nvidia. We said it would bounce off 100 and it's going a 2x to 200. We did the fundamentals and Sensei provided the charts for you. Look down here for the related video. Go and check out the viral moment, but also, which is another video on our channel, but check out this before the FOMC report. This is going to $200. This tells you how, why, and where. Go and check out the chart provided by our technical expert, Sensei Crypto. Okay, Nvidia. That'll be a short later. Okay. FOMC report, Fed rate. I'm breaking all-time records again today, but expect volatility. We were spot on with Nvidia and we're spot on with my portfolio and we're spot on with rate cuts. Said it now for 18 months, the summer of 2024, the rates would come down. They're already coming down in the UK. Virgin Money and another bank today already reduced their mortgage rates. It's happening before you know it on the FOMC report. Join us here, the related video. This is the FOMC report. You cannot miss it live. Click above my head for all the charts. We just provided a great chart for Nvidia. Join us live. Okay. That's that. Nvidia FOMC report. I don't think there's anything really important. Stock news update. If you keep repeating the same message, we'll time you out. You're not a member of the channel, and we don't want spam. We don't want our audience misleaded because you're owning a rubbish stock and you want everyone to buy it. It's not the case. I don't believe it. Peter Rawlinson robbed the company. It's going private. Don't tell everybody they're all about to get rich. There are channels for that. It's called Meet Kevin and Graham Stepan. Go and tune into those channels and tell everybody everything's going to go up and make everybody rich in 5 minutes. That's rubbish. Please go and do that. Don't do it here. We're here to provide a service, not to manipulate stock or get cheap views. Not interested in that. Okay. There's plenty of channels that'll do that for you. And for those that are interested, I'll show you what I mean. Lucid. This is Lucid, right? It's a continual downward trend. It pops up and down, but always dumps off afterwards. Look at it. It's a rubbish. It's the very opposite of what Tesla does. It trades, but it just gets dumped all the time on a continual downward trend. Peter Rawlinson pays himself $500 million a year. It's ridiculous. It's one of the worst companies I've ever seen. Great car, but don't touch it with a barge pole. And don't listen to unverified users trying to promote rubbish because they are trying to get their money out. Because I guarantee you, the people that are telling you to buy rubbish like FFIE, GameStop, all of this crap will simply dump it on the way up. That's all they'll do. They'll get you to buy it, and then they'll dump it on the way up and go, well, I sold it, now I took a profit. Well, I thought it was a great stock to own. No, only buy a stock that's a great stock to own. If you want to trade it and take profit from it, that's good. I don't buy a single stock or a single business that I cannot own for 10 years. If I can't own it if I can't over 10 years, I don't buy it. And if it's a stock I should only own for 10 minutes, I definitely don't own it. Because if I want to do that, I'll walk into a casino and I'll just put all my money on red and I'll walk out bankrupt. So I wouldn't suggest that either. Right, and let's get Lucid off the screen because that's just annoying me now. Right, there we go. Nvidia is going to continue to rise. There will be profit taking. There you go. You've been timed out now. We did tell you if you keep repeating the same message, you will be timed out, and you were timed out. I don't know why trolls don't listen. Stupid people never seem to learn. Do the same thing over and over again. If I keep copy and pasting crap, somebody will listen. No, they won't. All you'll do is get spammed and timed out. We've no place for it here on this channel. Do I own Space? No, I don't. Lost $30,000 on Space. Do not own Space. Virgin Galactic is a great product. The company are rubbish. Eric Kearney is rubbish. I spoke to him in person 5 times. All he cares about is GameStop short squeezes when he worked there, and could YouTubers promote SPCE so it can short squeeze. Not interested in that. That's a rubbish philosophy. Rubbish. Not interested. Right, 3 minutes to go. Let's look at the fear index. The fear index. How's that hotting up today? Bloody hell, that's quite amazing. We've got all this rallying and we're only in neutral. Imagine when we go to greed. That's what I'm saying. My portfolio could hit $110,000 today. We haven't even started yet. People are just waking up to this, going, I thought there was a bubble in AI. Bloody hell, did you get that wrong? You couldn't get it more wrong. Okay. 2 minutes to go. Shall we do the stock race this morning? We probably should. Let me line up the news. Stock race this morning? Yeah, okay. 1.5 minutes to go. One and a half minutes to go. Stock race, we do this if we can on a morning, on the opening bell. Are you ready? I wouldn't touch Bitcoin now since Donald Trump says he's going to fire Gary Gensler on day one. He can't do 1,000 things on day one. It's impossible. It created a dump when he said it went up and then dumped straight off again. It's a terrible thing that Donald Trump has tried has brought the meme craze into Bitcoin. The one crypto asset you don't want it in, it's now in, and because of that, I walk the other way. I like crypto. Sensei will do all the crypto on Sundays for us, but because of that, I'm out of all crypto. The moment, as soon as I heard that I'm going to fire Gary Gensler, he doesn't even understand Bitcoin. A few months ago, he hated Bitcoin. Now he loves Bitcoin because he wants your vote. I cannot stand that kind of popularity contest stuff. And the moment that starts, calculations, discipline of investment goes out the window, and all we end up with is a load of noise. And I'm not interested in a load of noise. I'll go the other way. I'll find something without the noise. That's where the money is. Right. Okay. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's the stock race and we are off. It's a big, big day. FOMC report. Join us live for it. It's going to be a fantastic day. It's not all one-way street though. There will be some volatility. This is my portfolio. All-time highs are just around the corner. Nvidia, exactly like we said, bounced off 100, going to 200. It's a $200 stock. 105,934. I started with $5,000. I've never shorted a stock. I don't do options. I'm just about to hit 110,000. You heard me right. $110,000 from 5,000. I'm all in on margin. I believe what I say what I do. Let's go through our positions and see what's moving today. Here we go. Click subscribe and ring the bell. Be part of it. Oops, I daisy. I just muted my own channel, but never mind. There it is. Click subscribe and ring the bell. That's okay. It's a live video. Smash the like button. Tap the like button. Are you ready? Okay, let's go. Here we go. The overall portfolio is up today. Virgin Galactic is up after it dumped yesterday. Palantir is up, too expensive. There it goes. Gold is up. S&P is up 1.21. I'm doubled that because I'm in margin. Amazon's up 1.94. Apple is up and surging. No one cares about the delay in the AI. It'll come a few weeks later onto the phone. Next Year Energy up 0.82, firing off. Enphase Energy trimming off right now. Coca-Cola selling off. People are selling defensive today to buy high risk. Makes perfect sense. A lot of money was made. J&J, a $200 stock. Great. Chevron, oil going up. Tesla going up. All of the tech stocks will rally today due to what Microsoft said last night and what Nvidia is about to say. Rivian going up, Google going up. Everything that got dumped is coming straight back. The Russell will, I would imagine, will drop today as it all comes back into high tech. By quality always rises to the top. Microsoft is down but pushing up. Will be up soon. I'm sure by the next 10 minutes, Microsoft will be green. Their earnings was good. We now know what they're doing with AI. There is no bubble. Nvidia up, some trimming off going on. Walmart just going down. Defensives going down. High risk going up. Tilray, barcoding, be careful. Waiting for its next move. Robinhood, a great stock. It's a $40 stock going up. IonQ, too expensive. Rocket Lab, up, too expensive. Trimming off. Plug Power up. This is great. Buy it under 2. Don't buy it now. Too late. Rumble is up 0.16. Funware up 0.78. Asti up today, 2.75. FFIE, absolute rubbish. I said it's going to zero. It's going to zero. It has no value. It's just trading like Lucid. It's going private, has no value. It's bankrupt, essentially. It's not worth anything. People pump it and dump it in 5 minutes. Do not get involved. 66,000. It was nearly 70. It came down when Donald Trump started saying he's going to fire Gary Gensler. He can't even fire Gary Gensler. I've checked the regulations. Doesn't work the way he intends. All right, so that's not going to happen the way he intends it. Nvidia is going up. Let's check now the US news. Let's see what's going on for you around the world, particularly in the United States. Harris now clear run at Democrat nomination. What do you think of that? Are you Trump or are you Harris? I am neither. I'm a green card holder, completely neutral, just provide the news. Black Swan trial ex-ballerina shot dead. Oh dear, we don't like to hear that. Secret Service, a director ashamed of security lapse. This is the security service in the United States. What can you say? What can you say about it? Nothing. Not like the movies, is it? It never is like the movies. Trump tells Christians they won't have to vote ever again. What was that all about? I don't know what that was all about. Jennifer Garner trapped in lift at Comic-Con event. Donald Trump to be interviewed by FBI after assassination attempt. There we go. There is your news today on the market, and that is your stocks running up today. Let me do my face recognition. There we go. Thank you very much indeed. That's your stock news in the morning. Click above my head for all the links down below in the description. Join us for the FOMC report, and more importantly than that, is there anything more important than that? No. About the same. Go and check out the FOMC, but go and check out the chart I've just done for Nvidia. At $100 to $200 and 2x, it's right there. You cannot afford to miss it. It's a viral video, and for a few moments, we ranked number one for about an hour. We were number one in the world for Nvidia, which is amazing, as we only have 28,000 subscribers. We were way ahead of Meet Kevin with millions of subscribers. Am I proud of that? You're damn right. Down to you, though. Thank you for watching and sharing and clicking and liking. It was a very exciting moment. Over here and over here. Join us. Till next time. Bye-bye for now. Okay. Let's have a look. Here comes a bit of trimming off. Great channel, Florida Boy Survival. Thank you. What is your take on Doge? I don't really comment on crypto. I let Sensei do that. Sensei takes care of all our crypto. And he provides the Sunday show. If you want a full technical chart done for any of your favorite stock, any of your favorite crypto, Sensei provides it. It's a service he provides on Sunday. Every Sunday, Sensei is here. He's very, very accurate, absolutely spot on, virtually always with his crypto and all of his charts. This is the event here. It's on Sunday, every Sunday, 3 p.m. Central. Let me give you the link here. Sensei Sunday. There you go. Right, there's the link. If you go there now, 6 people are already waiting. As you can see, they're already getting their requests in. You can get a request in and you can ask Sensei to do a chart for you, and he will do it for you. All right? Okay. You've got that information now. Brilliant. That answers your question. What's warning stock news, no spam? That's ready. You keep doing it. We just ban you. We're not trying to get more viewers, more subscribers. We're not bothered. We want quality over quantity. If we have to ban everybody, I don't care. If we have to go members only, I don't care. It's not about how much money I can make. It's about a quality service. Do you own space? No, I don't. Glad I trusted my gut on this buy-in at 100. Congratulations. Bitcoin is starting a recovery. Microsoft, a bit late, but catching up. Just wait until 10:30. XRP is also looking well. I got rid of all of that. I just got bored with waiting. I see greater opportunity in the market with businesses that earn money. Almost 9% up now. Congratulations. Above AMD profits. Nvidia 113. Big bump. Let's go. Nvidia dropping a lil. Dropping a little bit. Yeah, just profit taking. The last big rotation from tech to small caps was in July 2000. By August 30th, 2000, all .com stocks recovered, and from September 2000 onwards, it all crashed, and we had the big .com crash. That's completely different. This situation is completely different, and just because that happened to a .com crash does not mean that this is going to happen. That's going to happen to this. It's a completely different situation based upon different principles. Google is up nicely. Yes, it is. Let's have a look. FFIE is going for the dumperoni any minute. Yeah, well, FFIE, there's no value with that. Be very, very careful. If you are buying FFIE, you're just gambling with nothing. There's no fundamentals, principles, value, sales, customers, nothing. Just go to a casino. MasterCard, let's go. RW, Aloha, Patrick G, how are you? Nvidia to the moon. Nvidia is fine. Just put my notification bell on. Rift. Okay, fantastic. Thank you very much indeed. Meta reports today. Huge day today. Pump or dump on FOMC. Right. Very good question. Let's run a poll right now. We have a poll, then short, and then News 1 hour. Okay, then short times 2 times 2. Okay. Martyn, you are the GOAT. Meta reports are today after market close and tomorrow Amazon after market close. Thank you very much. That's a very nice thing to say, I have to say. I never expected that. I'm just an entertainer, right? I'm just an entertainer. I just want to be absolutely clear so you all know who I am. I was voted by Elton John as the world piano man. I've toured all over the world. I had my own West End show. I've had my own Vegas show. This is me singing with Elton John's jacket here doing Candle in the Wind. This is, did Phantom of the Opera. This is my Vegas show. If you've never seen this, look, this is me with my Vegas show or my orchestra. This is who I am. This is what I do. If you want to go and check out my music channel, please do help me get to 10,000 subscribers so I can raise lots of money for charity. I would really, really appreciate it if you did. So let me give you my music channel. Please just do it right now. It'll take you 10 seconds. Just to subscribe to my music channel. You don't have to watch my music if you don't want to. Join me on Friday nights for the concert. You see me singing here with my showgirls and all sort of stuff. I've done Jimmy Buffett tribute when he passed away. I did Matt, what was his name? I can't remember now. I've got videos here, me working with ballerinas. Life is tough. Look, there's one here, look. All special pop videos. I did a video with you, a U2 video. Paul McCartney, I had Paul McCartney on a video when Wings tour in the US. I'm asked to sing with Wings. I did a video with Let It Be with Paul McCartney behind me. Check that out. There you go. So anyway, please do. I wished Simone. There you go. 1,000 views now. Remember I said it didn't show it? Oh, 2,000 views now. I'm blowing up. Look at that. You remember a few moments ago that was 160. Look, 1,000 there, 2,000 there. There's my good luck to Simone. Look at that. How about that? How about it? I'm loving it. Anyway, go and check out my music channel. I'd really appreciate it. Be a massive help to me. Thank you. Okay, new subscriber here. Love your style. Florida boy survival. Well, thank you so much indeed. Consider being a member of our channel and you get many, many perks. In fact, are you a YouTuber? Because if you become a member right now, I've got a special gift for you. I love giving things away. We're here to help people. I'm not going to tell you what it is, but if you are a YouTuber, and you might be looking at that, let me have a quick look. Are you a YouTuber? Let me just see if you are. Oh, you are. You are. Florida boy. All right, you are a YouTuber. Right, I'm not going to tell you anything. I just want you to take a leap of faith. Just trust me. You can always cancel it. Just go silver. I'm going to promise you. I promise you, cross my heart, hope to die, I'm going to do something you're going to love. All right? You can always cancel it. You can always go back down to bronze. You can always delete it. I'm not going to tell you what it is. I like people to be on faith and trust. This is what this channel is about. And promise you, you can see 98% of our live viewers are members. All right? Not on today's show because we've got a whole new audience in because it's something very different today. But on our regular opening and closing bells, you'll see 98%. If you are on an iOS device, just, well, you know how it works. You're a YouTuber. Go on to a browser, select desktop version, do it right now. Do it right now. I'm going to do something. I'm going to do something for you right now. You're going to love. I promise you. You're going to go, I can't believe he did that. That's how good it is. All right. Just trust me. You're going to love what I'm going to do. Promise you, you're going to love it. I'm not going to say any more. Do it. It's worth it. Look, everyone's telling you, right? Don't say any more, guys. Let him do it if he wants to. All right. I don't want him to be. I just want it to happen naturally. All right. I pushed it enough as it is. Right. Nvidia is, look at it, going to $200. No doubt about it. Right. Okay. Just before we get into some more news, I know the reviews are on standby at the moment because with all these earnings, we've had to do that, okay? I've got something I need to do right now. As you know, one of our members is a sponsor of our channel. $99. I turn down corporations. Big businesses cannot sponsor my channel. I don't accept it. I only do it for members. We want to help members. So are you ready? All I ask, this member pays $99 a month. I could charge 10 times this amount. And I get offered that by big corporations and stuff. There it is. The daily routine. Click on this website. It's a wedding website. Our friend here has a wedding business. We don't need you to get married, buy anything, do anything, nothing like that. But if people all around the world, every time I ask them, click on this website, he is going to start to rank top for weddings. We've done it before. We got our friend Martyn to be in the top 10 selling short stories on Amazon, remember? And we did that within 4 days. He had sold no books, no reviews, and within 4 days, he was in the top 10 selling books, short stories on Amazon. We now want to do the same thing for one of our members here. So, has everybody clicked on the website? I'm only going to hold it there for 10 more seconds. It's a wedding website. Click on it. If members all around the world, remember, if you help our members, we will help you. It's what we do. All you got to do is click on the website, charlottemaiweddings.co.uk. All right. And what it will do is if he gets people clicking on his website all around the world, it'll start to rank up and it will make lots of money. There you go. Has everyone done it? I hope you have. Please do it because when we want to promote you, you'll want everyone to do it for you. It took 10 seconds. There you go. I'm a wedding photographer, Andrew Barrell. Well, there you go. You might have just got yourself a job working for Charlotte May Weddings. Everyone loves it. Everybody wins. And I will leave that with you. Thank you very much, everybody. Appreciate you a lot. And there you go. That's what you get. Oh, Florida Boy has become a silver member. He did it. He did it. So, what does he get? Nothing. It was a con. I just wanted to steal $6 from him. That was it. I'm going now. See you later, folks. No, thank you so much indeed for trusting me with that. So what we want to do now is we want to help you, right? First of all, Florida Bay Survival. Would everybody give Florida Bay a huge welcome? He's a YouTuber. Yes, he is. So what we're going to do is this. You all know what we're going to do. This is just the beginning, though. I want to help this guy, right? I love this. I love what he's doing here, right? So you ready? Here we go. He's on 19.7. 19.7. He wants to get to 20,000 subscribers, right? Why not? We're always trying to grow, right? 19.7 subscribers. All of my members, you know what I'm going to ask you to do? Every single one of you, click his, subscribe to his channel. And Florida Bay, I promise you, every single one of my members will do it. Not just one, every single one of my members watching live right now, I promise you, will do it. 100%. 100%. Now then, that's just the beginning. Right? That's just the beginning. Because I'm going to do that a few times now, not just now. I might do it again today during the FOMC report. We might have a few thousand watching live, right? So everyone do that. You done that? Okay. Now here's the next best bit. You'll like this. You'll like this. Watch this. I'm going to keep you watching now in suspense as I go and do something for you, right? You ready? Normally I ask if you want this perk, but today I'm just going to do it because you didn't know what you were going to get. You didn't know what you were going to get, so I'm going to do it anyway. So here it comes. You're going to like this. Are you ready? You're going to like this. Right. I'm doing it now. You can't see what I'm doing. It's a surprise. It's a surprise, right? Because you're not just going to get subscribers today, you're going to get subscribers every day. Because we want to be better than Mr. Beast. He helps people, but we help people even more, right? We give it all. We give it all. There's no holding back here. We do it all. Right, you ready? Okay, are you watching? Are you paying attention? Are you paying attention? I'm going to give you, in a minute, I'm going to give you all your perks and benefits, all the things that you get as a member, but we're doing something else for you now. Watch this. Here is the homepage of my channel, right? Here we are. Here's the homepage of the channel. You ready? Look at this. You're going to like this. Scrolling, 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 scrolling. Featured channels. There's my other channel. There's the music channel. There's our sponsor. There's our partner. What about this? Featured channels. Members or upwards. There's my channel. There's my music channel. The Hustle Brothers and Florida Boy Survival. There you go. You're on the homepage of my channel. So now and again, I will say, go and subscribe to our silver member. You're on the homepage right there so people can see you all the time. So as I grow, you grow, and we love it. Now, that's what I wanted to do for you if you just trusted me, right? That will stay there as long as you're a silver member. If you cancel it, eventually I'll take you off, right? But you're there as long as you're a silver member, right? Is that fair? Is that fair? Right. But now I'm going to give you everything else that you get as a member, right? I know you didn't do it for this reason. You did it just because I said so, right? But now I'm going to give you your perks and benefits, right? As a member, you can ask the audience, you can poll the audience during a live show. You can ask me, I will answer all your questions. I will put all your messages on the screen because I will filter by members when it gets busy. There you are. Put you on the screen. I will also, if you ask me to do a review of a full stock, it could be up to an hour-long video, I will make that for you. I will make that for you. Oh, can you please add my gold membership, pretty please? Team Fusion. Can you please add my gold membership? What do you mean? What do you mean, Team Fusion? Can you explain what you mean? Can you add my gold membership? I want to, what do you mean? Just clarify what you mean. If you want me to review a stock, as a member, I don't do it for anybody else. You can have a review done up to an hour-long video for $1. If you do a $1 super chat, at the moment, it'll be 7th on the list. If you do at the moment more than $5, it'll be top of the list, and I will make your review first. All right? Okay, Team Fusion. You want me to put Team Fusion channel on the there? Because you're gold, you'll go in at the front. Do you want Team Fusion there? Is that what you want? So just answer that and I'll come back to you. Plus, as a member, you can phone into the show. If you want to call in now and talk about your channel, you can. You can call in live to the show. Just if you ever want to call in, just say I want to call in, and I'll put the link on the screen. You can phone in live on the show and talk about anything you want. Ask a question. You can ask me also to do an earnings. If there's a favorite stock you want me to cover, I will cover the earnings for you and all the rest of it. Here are, you get a birthday card, a Christmas card on the newsletter. I will engage with you on X. I will help all my members grow on my social media. The list goes on and on and on. Here are some of the links. Alpha Spread, the best AI software to review stocks. I know the CEO. He gives me a better deal than Bloomberg, CNBC, Yahoo Finance. You basically get it for free, or if you want a premium plan, the discount will make the membership for free. That makes sense? There is Alpha Spread. There is my music channel as a new member. If you join me on Friday Night Concert, I will do your first song for free. You don't have to super chat for a song. You'll get a song for free. There's my Instagram. There's my X account. There's the all links button, the website. If you want all the free stocks that I give away, if you want the newsletter, the birthday card, the Christmas card, there is the extra channel. We are live 12 hours a day on the extra channel. Yep, you heard me right. 12 hours a day behind the scenes. This is where you hear me setting up the shows in between, talking to the CEOs, having private calls. You hear it all here. This is the radio show. It's members only. It's only 99 cents to be a member. The reason we do that is then we don't have bots, scammers. We don't have idiots like that guy earlier saying, buy Lucid, it's great. None of that crap goes on. We don't have anybody like that coming in at all. So that's why we are members only. But it's only 99 cents for our members. No one knows about the channel other than the members because it's not a trending video. It just goes live every day. There's no reason why you'd ever find it. It's a members place only. All right, there's the all links button, and I've given you the extra. Oh, and Discord. Finally, the last thing is Discord. If you want to know all the trades, if you want to get the free training from Ed Nevius and you get information from Sensei Crypto, we don't charge you for training. We provide it free. Ed Nevius is paid to learn to scalp trade. He's very, very effective and successful at it, and he teaches you it. He teaches you all about it for free, one-on-one very often. We don't charge, we just give it to our members. If you do click on the Discord link, anyone can go to Discord, it's free. However, you will not see any channels until you do one of two things. Either you become a subscriber to Discord, you can do that if you want to, or it's one of the perks of being a member. When you are a member, it's not automatic. I do it for you manually. When you've signed up for Discord and you can't see anything, there's no channels on view, come into the live chat, say I've signed up. It takes 10 minutes to get through security. I've signed up and I'm a member. I can see you're a member because you've got a badge, and you'll give me your username. I will go into Discord, find you, upgrade you, and then you'll see everything. And then you can send in links for the show. I can cover stocks that you want, news that you want. You become part of the research family and all the rest of it. That's all the things that you get as a member, a silver member. Plus, I just gave you that little gift there by promoting your channel. Nvidia, no surprise whatsoever. Does it come as a surprise to anybody? It shouldn't. We gave you the precise information, and there it is. Congratulations, everybody who's made money today. This is absolutely awesome, isn't it? Absolutely awesome. Right then, Team Fusion. Team Fusion said, yes, I'm a gold member. Can you upgrade me? As I always say, it's a requested thing. I don't do it unless you request it. And you've requested it, so I'm going to do it. I did it specially for the other guy because it was a special treat. Right, go to channel. Okay. You are a gold member. I found your channel. You're not a YouTuber though. There's nothing on there to promote, but I'm just saying you could do something different, but I'm just saying there's nothing on there to promote, but I'll do it because you're a gold member and you deserve, you have that perk. I just wanted to say you might want to promote another channel because there's nothing on there to promote, but I will do it anyway. And it'll go right at the top because you are a gold member. You'll go above Hustle Brothers. Let me just check. Is Hustle Brothers a gold member or a silver member? Is Hustle Brothers... I can go and check, but you could just tell me. I'm pretty sure that you're a silver member. I'll just go and check, though. Let me go and check. There we go. Team Fusion. Let me just move to the top because you are gold. You go to the very top. There you go. I've done that. Okay. Let me just go and check now. Hustle Brothers membership. I think you're silver. I might be wrong. Okay, let me have a look. Silver. Current level, silver. Hustle Brothers. Yes, you're silver. So that's right. I did the right thing. Team Fusion just goes ahead. Okay, so let me refresh the screen. You should see it now. Hustle Brothers, I've done as you requested. There you go. You're on the home page of the channel just next to me. There you go. Because you're gold, you go right to the top. Make sense? All right. Okay. Sponsor channels are up the top. There. Gold channels are there. Okay. You want to put some content there now because we can't get everyone. I'm not going to ask everyone to subscribe to a channel there's no content. Doesn't make any sense. But if you do, then I will. All right. Does that make sense? Right. I am. This is right. Okay. Let me scroll down. Finally seeing green on my view. Whoop, whoop. Found you yesterday. Love you already. I will definitely look into it. Do it. Oh, that was earlier. Okay. Click. There you go. Checked out the Florida base. There you go. Florida Bay boy. There you go. Good stuff. I think married Charlotte we weddings #1. There you go. I'm loving it. Welcome, Richard Garcia. Done. There you go. I subscribe to Florida Bay. Good. Martin, interesting question. What do you think Nvidia stock will be worth after 30 years? Oh, I can't say that. That's impossible. That's impossible. Who's bothered about that? I won't even be alive in 30 years. You guys are the best. Yes, we are. Subscribe. Welcome, Florida boy. Just subscribe to your channel. You should check out Mr. Beast's controversial news in your free time. I don't get any free time. But if you are a member of the channel, Rift, are you a member of the channel? No, you're not. If you are a member, you can send in news to Discord. I can make videos on it and it can be part of the show. Anyway. I really like the question by Tout, just reposting. What do you think? I've got no idea. I mean, it's not even something you can even. It's not even something we can discuss. We can guess and make silly, wild assumptions, and people will do that on YouTube to get views. But I don't do that. I'm not that sort of channel. There's no way we can analyze and project 30 years out for a growth stock. Absolutely impossible. Martin, do you think Nvidia stock will be worth? We can't do that. All right, 114 now. Let's have a look. Yeah, no, we can't do that. It doesn't make any sense. I'm not going to make up stuff to get views. It's not what we do. There's other channels that'll do that. They'll tell you all sorts to fire you up. And I know it's exciting and you'll want to subscribe to it, but it's not the right thing to do, so I won't do it. It's a bit of fun. It's a bit fun. What, putting up the top there? I have plans for the chat. Oh, there you go. Okay, wait for the Nvidia earnings, then we'll... Oh, yes, the Nvidia earnings is going to be a beat, a massive beat. Yes, yes, yes. I'm Silver Martin. Yes, thank you very much. I didn't see your comment, so I checked anyway. Isaac Hunt, 50,000 Swedish funds. Welcome to Sweden. We've got members in 62 countries. Oh, by the way, I never asked our new member where you were from, what country you were from. Because if you're from a new country, we could put you, I'm sure you're from America though, right? We've got 62 countries represented here. I'm in for 10 years with mine, down 59 today, soon to change. All right. Give it to my son to buy a house. Give it to my son to buy a house. What's all that about? What's going on? Right, here we go. Today, 106,107. Whoa! All-time high is 107. I expect to be quite possibly 110,000 today. Anyway, listen, folks. We have got... you're from Sweden, but I'm English. Well, I'm going to do a little treat for you now. I like to do this. This is normally for members, but for some reason, I'm in a very giving mood today. I don't know why. Someone in a minute's going to stop me. I'm going to go, stop! These are things for members only. What's going on? But I'm going to do it anyway. Hello, Isaac. Welcome to the family. I have family of my own in Sweden, Stockholm, Gothenburg. Wonderful country. Thank you for being here. I know you speak English, but I just wanted to give you a warm welcome in Swedish. Join us every day. We're live up to 12 hours a day every day. We aim to be the most honest, real, live channel in the world. And we also have the music channel. Please subscribe to that. I'm trying to get to 10,000 subscribers so I can do fundraising charity work on my music channel. I was voted by Elton John as the World Piano Man. Thank you.
Hej Isaac, välkommen till familjen. Jag har min egen familj i Sverige, Stockholm, Göteborg, underbara land. Tack för att du är här. Jag vet att du pratar engelska, men jag ville bara hälsa dig varmt välkommen. På svenska, gå med oss varje dag, kommer jag upp till 12 timmar en dag. Varje dag strävar vi efter att vara den mest ärliga, verkliga kanalen i världen, och vi har också musikkanalen. Vänligen prenumerera på att jag försöker få till 10 000 prenumeranter så att jag kan göra insamlingar, välgörenhetsarbete på min musikkanal. Jag blev framröstad av Elton John som världens pianoman. Tack.
Okay, now then, I've got some people in the last few minutes signed up to Discord. Okay, quite a few people. Now, if you will not see any of our channels. You will not be able to get our stock tips. You will not be able to see our trades. You will not be able to see Ed Nevis's training unless you are a Discord subscriber or a YouTube member. And if you are a YouTube member and you are signing up, give me your username in the chat and I'll upgrade you. So for those of you that have just signed up, all these people here, you cannot see anything. So I'm now going to message you and tell you what I just told you here live in the show. So just bear with me a second. I send you a message telling you need to be a subscriber or a YouTube member. So Sal, I've just done you. XXX sensational. Please do not accept a friend request from anyone called Martyn Lucas. They are not me. They are scammers and bots. I do not send anyone a message on Discord unless I'm doing it live in the show like this. All right, so be very, very careful. I only accept friend requests. I never send them. So if you are following a Martyn Lucas on TikTok, by the way, people are doing that, it's not me. All right? They're just there to scam you, take your money, and all the rest of it. Please do not do it. All right. See what I'm doing now? I'm sending everyone. I've only got a couple more to do. They've just come in this morning. Last few minutes. In a minute, I'm going to get a message from Discord saying, am I a human? Because if I do more than 4 messages, there you go. Am I a human? Yes, I'm a human. I'm a real person trying to protect my account from scammers and bots and God knows what else. All right, I've got another one just come in. Please do not, yes, I'm a human. Please do not do this. We're wasting everyone's time. If you're not a YouTube member or you're not a subscriber, it's completely pointless. I've just had another one come in. We don't open it up for everybody. We don't want to be the biggest channel. We want to be the best. So we only have it for YouTube members, because if we open it up to everyone, it's just full of scammers and bots and people trying to tell you that Lucid's great and FFIE's great. I mean, we get a bit of that anyway, because people find ways to get around stuff. But I'm doing this to provide the training and the benefits to our members, not to grow the biggest Discord channel in the world. I don't make any money from it other than when you subscribe. If you subscribe, I earn about $4 a month. So I appreciate that. It does help me run the service, but otherwise I do it for free. I like to help people. Have we got any more new people? Yeah, cooking stock. There's another one. There you go. You can see a few of these actually are scammers because they don't accept messages. It's quite funny, isn't it? They try to get onto my server, but there we go. I've done it. But they don't accept messages. Kind of tells you everything, doesn't it? Right. Okay. So there you go. That's all taken care of. Right. I have no idea what you're saying. I spoke in Swedish. I take it you're from Sweden but don't speak Swedish. Okay. All right. There you go. So I had to just announce a reverse stock split. Thank you very much indeed, DFJ. I can't verify that as you're not a member. If you are a member, become a member, I can share it onto my Discord and make a video on it. So consider becoming a member. Here is the link if you want to be a member. What I meant was I have 10,000 in Nvidia to hopefully buy my son a house in 2030. Oh, I see. Well, very nice indeed. Why can't he buy his own house? I'm not in favor of buying people houses. They should buy their own house. Learn the value of money. So anyway, I'm old-fashioned now. I left home at 16 and just got on with it, and nobody ever gave me anything, and it's a good thing, I think. But anyway, that's just me. That's just me. Right, let me just adjust TikTok a little bit. There you go. Made a slight adjustment there. Right. Super Tubers looks like a dead stock. Right. Let's go for our positions. No surprise there. 106,000. 106,210. We should be at an all-time high to 110,000. This is my real money, my real cash from $5,000. I should be at 110,000 today. I am having an issue joining Discord page, but it'll work it out later. Okay, so basically, I've given you the link. It takes 10 minutes to get through because you have to have a waiting period. You also have to verify the email, okay? It takes 10 minutes. And when you're done, give me your username and I'll see it. If you've got a username and you've already started Florida Boy Survival, give me your username right now in the chat and I'll go and find you and I'll be able to upgrade you right now. I will fast track the process. If you've got a username on Discord already, just write it in the chat and I'll do it for you right now. Nicola, have news on Robin Hood. Tusha Patel, send it into Discord and I'll do a news item on it. Right, I'm just waiting to see if Florida Bay Survival does his username. Username is Matt49. Okay, I shall go and search for it. Here we go. So, MATT49. There you are. There you go. So I can fast track it. Matt49. There you go. Now then, you are a member, so I give you access. This is the way I do it. So I do a couple of things. First of all, I give you a role of member. You can now see all of the channels. Right? You are a member. As long as you are a member to our channel, you will have member role there. I also, because we're all about integrity and honesty, I will give you a nickname. The nickname will be what you are here on. It doesn't change your name. It just changes my nickname, the way you're seen on our channel. So people know it's you. Exactly you, Florida Boy Survival. And last thing before I leave you, if you send me a friend request right now, I will accept it because you will get lots of people send you friend requests pretending to be me. So if you send me a friend request and my name is obviously spelt correctly, people always spell it differently, is Martyn Lucas. There you go, MartynLucas. I will accept your friend request because people will not engage with you if they look at you and see you're not a friend of mine. They won't do it. And you won't see certain benefits, right? Florida Bay Survival, save. So if you send me a friend request right now, I will accept it. You can now see Ed Nevius's training. This is his training. This is free. He's paid to do this, and he provides it for free. You will see Sensei's crypto tips. If you buy some merchandise, it'll appear in there. If YouTube Live, when I go live, it's in there. Links for YouTube. This channel here, as a member now, if you like Nvidia and you have seen a news item, you can share it in there. Links for YouTube, and during the show, you're basically a researcher for the team, for the family. As a thank you, I will make a video live in the show on that news story. And most of the stocks that we cover, we rank number 1 in the world for the search term. Like if you go SPCE stock, number 1 in the world. The list goes on and on and on. We rank number 1 in the world for the stock. So I can make the news item for you. That's what Links for YouTube is. Ask the Family, stock news, breakfast bar. Every morning we go in here and we post links and what we're having for breakfast. Please keep it on subject. Please keep it on subject. That way it works really, really well. If I get a friend request, I haven't got one from you, I will accept it and you'll be all in and done. If you don't want to, that's absolutely fine, of course. You might go, I don't want to be your friend. And that's absolutely fine. Oh, hang on. Hang on a minute. Just as he said that, pending. Matt, I know that's you because I've just done it. There you go. There you go. That's you. Accept friend request. And you get this comment here. I always put this so you know it's me. It's just in caps. All done. Am I a human? Yes, I'm a human. All done. Okay. Thank you very much indeed today. It's been quite a day for you, isn't it? It's been the Florida Boy Show. It's been all over it. You're welcome. No problem at all. You're welcome. All done. There you go. All done. Thank you very much. Now I'm going to move on. All I want to do is give you this link here because you probably, well, I guarantee you didn't get a chance to do it. Before people normally become members, they watch this video. There's no ads on it. It's information of telling you all the perks and benefits you get as a member. There is the video, the why and how member video. Watch that. You'll find out all the things you can get to take advantage of all those benefits. All right? Okay. Good luck with the YouTube channel, and I hope you do well. Yes, have a lovely day. Thank you very much. It's been a bit of a rush, isn't it? It's been a bit of a fast track. He turns up. What's going on here? Bang, boom, member, boom, promoted. Bloody hell. Slow down. I can't keep up with this. Right, anyway, we ain't got time to slow down. Life's for living, right? Okay, 106,250. All-time high is 107,000. Bloody hell. Absolutely brilliant. Right, I'm trying to think now what we should do. There's lots of reviews to do, but we can't do them. Oh, I know what it is. Right. Tonight. Right, do that. Oh, bloody hell. Bloody hell. Bloody hell's right. Okay. So, that being said, earnings. After hours. What are we going to do? Earnings tonight. APLD. APLD. Are they doing earnings tonight? Expected August 13th. That's moved. That's moved. Cut. August 13th. Okay, in that case then, Meta. Here we go. Bloody hell, look at my portfolio now. Today after hours, are we going to cover Meta tonight? Who wants Meta tonight? Would anyone like to request Meta? Start a poll. Will you join me after hours for Meta earnings? Yes or no? If you would, and you want me to cover the earnings, I'll do it. Will you join me after hours for the Meta earnings? 2, 3, 4. So I'll go live at 3:30. If anybody wants it. 3:30. If anybody wants it. Let's see how many people want me to cover that. It's a service I provide to my members. I might even make it a members-only video. Members-only live stream. We've not done one of those for a little while. Market is doing a dead count bounce. No, it's not. That's not true at all. No, I don't agree. Right. Vote on that. If I get a good majority, I'll do it. Can everyone please vote? How many people? Got 67 watching. Let's have some fun a minute. I want to see if we can get YouTube to suggest this video out so we can get a good poll running here. We've got 67 watching. Or 56 likes. Bloody hell. I was going to ask for the likes, but there's no point. Everyone's liked. You can't like anyway. Everyone's already liked. Thanks, guys. That's really nice of you. Right, 13 votes. We've got 65 watching. Can everyone please vote, please? We've just learned about tech. We've done Microsoft. We've done Nvidia. Tonight is Meta. Does anybody want me to cover Meta tonight for the earnings? I want, there's 66 of you watching. Only 18 votes. Let's get at least 20 votes. Kind regards from Germany. How are you? Is that Tangerine? Is that Tangerine? Shall I speak to you in German? You want some German? Ich kann nicht sprechen Deutsch sehr gut. Mein Name ist Martyn Lucas von England. Welcome, Tangerine. Wonderful to have you here. And all guests and friends from Germany. I have visited Berlin, Bremen, Düsseldorf, the wonderful Black Forest. Wonderful to have you here. We're live 12 hours a day. We aim to be the most honest, real live channel on YouTube TV. I was voted by Sir Elton John as the World Piano Man. I also have a music channel. Please subscribe to me as I'm trying to get to 10,000 subscribers so I can raise money for charity. At 10,000, YouTube provide YouTube giving. I will give you the link to my music channel in the chat. Thank you.
Willkommen, Tangerine. Schön, dass du und alle anderen hier seid, und Freunde aus Deutschland. Ich habe Berlin, Bremen, Düsseldorf und den wunderschönen Schwarzwald besucht. Schön, dass du hier bist. Wir sind 12 Stunden am Tag live und möchten der ehrlichste Real-Live-Kanal auf YouTube TV sein. Elton John hat mich zum besten Pianomann der Welt gewählt. Ich habe auch einen Musikkanal. Bitte abonniere mich, denn ich versuche, 10.000 Abonnenten zu erreichen, damit ich $10.000 Spenden für wohltätige Zwecke sammeln kann. YouTube unterstützt YouTube Giving. Ich werde dir im Chat den Link zu meinem Musikkanal geben. Danke.
All right, there we go. I'm just giving you the music channel. Please do subscribe to it. Trying to get to 10,000 subscribers so I can do charitable events. I'm at 5,880. Please do subscribe to it. It really, really helps. You don't have to watch. I just want to get to 10,000 so I can do my fundraiser events. Thank you so much for considering that. The link is in the chat. Okay. So you've just voted. You've just voted, and yes, you want Meta. We're doing Meta after hours this evening. Right, I'm going to give you a choice. Tomorrow night, earnings. We will do Meta tonight then. Tomorrow, I can only do one. Earnings tomorrow. You can do Amazon, AMZN, or Apple, AAPL. I can only do one. Sensei's not available for the next few days. So here we go. Earnings tomorrow. Amazon or Apple. Start the poll. This is for tomorrow, right? Not tonight. Tonight we'll do Meta. But for tomorrow, what would you like? Amazon or Apple? You can choose. Okay, what would you like? Nvidia bought after hours. Retail investors bought into weakness. Welcome, Germany. Good afternoon, Sensei. Lovely to have Sensei with us. Right. Okay, here we go. Now then, we've got 11 votes, 10 votes, 11 votes. Let's see what we get. I'll let you choose. Okay. Now then, once you voted, I'll wait for everyone to vote. We've got 67 watching, so we want to get at least 30 votes. It doesn't make any sense not to vote. Subscribers are just rolling around like crazy at the moment. 28,289. We did over 1,000 subscribers in the last 24 hours. It's just been absolutely incredible. The last 24 hours has just been our best 24 hours ever. So thank you all for that. Right. While you're voting, I've got a poll for you. Okay. I'm going to give you the link right now. Okay. Here is my X account. There it is. Go and vote. It's right at the top of my X account. If you're not yet, follow me on X. Please do. You could take part. It's where I tell you all my trades that I'm making and everything else. Rate cut, pause or hike. Please vote in poll. 42% say a pause. 42.9%. I've got 21 votes. Vote on that one. Hike is 4.8%. Undecided is 14.3%. And a cut is 38%. I don't see a cut today. That would be a reaction. The Fed does not react. In fact, the Fed is proactive. They are prepared for a move on September. Like I've said, for 18 months. Nothing has changed. Right? Go and vote on that. I've given you the link in the chat. I'll give it to you again. Can you see that, look? Right. There is there's the poll. I'll come back to that in a second and see if anyone has voted. Let's see if it's changed. 21 votes at the moment. Right. What is the poll? What do you want? We're doing Meta tonight. Oh, 50-50. You're having a laugh. 16 votes, 50-50, Amazon and Apple. Bloody hell. All right. Well, at the moment there's no real majority. So, unless it changes, I'm now having a look on my channel and see what's the most popular then. I gave you the chance to vote. So, Amazon April major. Right, that was the last one we did. And we had, for Amazon, we had 533 views. 533 views. And for Apple, we had 423. So we had more for Amazon. Amazon has won it. It's won by the poll, and it's won it because I earn more money. So sod it. I'll make more money. I'll make about $1 more than the other one. All right? Okay, that's fair enough. Okay, so we'll do Amazon. So we'll do Amazon. Tomorrow night. Okay. That's Thursday. And okay, Chevron. There is no choice. We're doing Chevron. Chevron will be available August the 2nd, pre-market. Okay, here we go. Oh, God. We got that idiot. We got the idiot back. Let's get rid of him. He's always an idiot, this bloke. Is there any point putting him in timeout? No, I just, someone's already done it. Thank you. Someone's already done it. Thank you. I just won't even bother. If he comes in again, I ban him. We don't need idiots. We haven't got the time for it. We got more important things to do. We're making money. Right. Let's do this now then. Thank you, Mike. Thank you, Stephen. Doing a great job, as always. Sensei, Meta limit orders set at 385 in case of volatile earnings. Sensei Crypto is giving you a trade there. Giving you a trade for Meta. Very, very important that. I'll put it on the screen. Sensei is very, very accurate with this. There you go. Thank you, Mike. Great job. Already, yeah. Meta limit orders. That's a big, big tip there from Sensei Crypto. Got that? Okay. So, let's wrap up this show with these videos. And then we can put them out and get ready for the FOMC. I'm going to send you right there to the FOMC right now. Okay, once this finishes. 146. 146. Meta. AMZN, Chevron, then shorts. Okay. Bloody hell. Look at my portfolio. 106,600. Ooh, I love it. It's very exciting. It's very exciting. Very, very, very exciting. I'm up nearly Don't tell me you cannot make money on the S&P. Oh, you can't make money on the S&P. It's boring. Oh no, you got to buy Binky Bonk. You got to buy FFIE. You got to buy GameStop. That's how to make money. You can't make thousands of dollars a day on the S&P. You're a bloody idiot. You are. Just saying, right? Okay. And you can amplify it by buying on the dips. When you get people say the world's going to end in 48 hours, you get a 4 or 5% drop. It's not a real drop. It comes straight back. So if you buy that drop, you don't just make the normal 10, 13% a year. You make the extra 4 because it went down unnecessarily. All right? We'll cover that in a minute. Anyway, so put that in your pipe and smoke it. Buy a great business, never sell it, own it. Own it. It's really easy to make money. Hard part is to keep it. Okay. About $2,500 on both of my accounts. I haven't made any money though. I've not sold anything. And I'm not going to sell either. Meta after hours earnings. You might as well join us. We trended #1 in the world for Nvidia for about an hour, which is pretty amazing considering we're only 28,000 subscribers and Meet Kevin's millions. And we beat him just for an hour. I know. We're back in our place again. But anyway, we've got a limit order here. Limit order from Sensei Crypto, who's very, very accurate. We know last night did a great $100 bounce on Nvidia. Meta limit order set at 385 in case of volatile earnings. We're going to cover the earnings tonight. Mark Zuckerberg is my guest. He rang me up this morning and said, Martin, can you cover the earnings? Because, I'd like to be on your show. I said, yep, I'll do it. For you, Mark, anything. Don't worry about it. I'm there. So Meta earnings tonight, the official live earnings, it's the official earnings because it's their earnings. I just broadcast it, but make it sound and look even better. Followed by debate and charts and information to you so you can make money. That's the Meta earnings. You cannot afford to miss it. Click above my head for the link. Down below in the description, I'll also post it to the top of the comments. If anyone gives me a super thanks, however, I shall pin their comment to the top and they can promote whatever they like. If you do a super thanks, it's a little service I do for my members, only members, but another little perk of being a member. Good here, isn't it? Over here, I will put the Meta earnings down here, the FOMC report. You cannot afford to miss it. And maybe I'll squeeze just down about there some Nvidia information. All related, right? Join us. You can't afford to miss it. Meta. Amazon. MZN. Amazon. Amazon, ticker symbol AMZN. You already knew that, right? You got to join us, right? Because we're on fire right now when it comes to tech. I don't mean we're on fire because it's making money. We're on fire when we're making very, very accurate, reliable predictions. Oh yeah, over and over again. August the 1st, after hours. What a great way to start August. I like August. August is a good month. It's got 8 in it. And we know what 888 is. It's the magic number for the Chinese. They like 888. It's the magic number. I said that twice. Don't know why. Join us after hours on August the 1st for Amazon. It's going to be a great earnings. We're very excited about it. Are you excited? I'm excited. Click above my head for all the links down below in the description. You also might want to join us tonight for Meta earnings. That's live on our channel. Nvidia as well. We've just done a great Nvidia prediction and we were spot on, and it went viral for about an hour. Very excited. Over here is the Meta earnings. Over here is the Amazon earnings. Over here is the FOMC report. That's going live very shortly. By the time you've watched this, it'll be like minutes away. And down here, I'll squeeze in somewhere another earnings, Meta perhaps. Great, innit? And check out the Nvidia video as well. The Nvidia video. I like saying that. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. Right, CVX. CVX. Chevron Oil. How can you not be in oil right now? August the 2nd, early. Bloody hell, that's Stephen Lewandowski, one of our oil investors. He wants me to cover oil. He doesn't actually want this one. He wants Matador. But never mind, he wants oil. So I'm doing this one, all right? I'm doing this one. This is, maybe I'll do Matador another day. Who knows? Anyway, Chevron, early morning, nice and breezy and early. Chevron is August the 2nd, pre-market. You've got to know where oil's going. We've got the tech sorted. We've just done all the other earnings for the tech. Now we want to know where oil's going. If you don't listen to the earnings, you've got no business investing. Seriously, you haven't got a clue. If you don't know what they're saying at the earnings, what's being asked by the investors and institutions, how the bloody hell can you make investments? The answer is you can't. You're just gambling in the blind. Gambling in the dark like the blind. That's what I meant to say. All right, click above my head for the link down below in the description. I'll also pin it to the top of the comments unless anyone does a super thanks. If anyone does a super thanks, members only, I'll pin it to the top and you can promote whatever you like. You can put a link in there to your favorite business or your favorite YouTube channel. You can promote me if you want. Kind of pointless, we're already watching my video. But if you want to do that, do a super thanks. I think you can do it from $1. I'll pin it to the top and it can promote whatever you like. Then whoever watches this video will see your comment as the most important thing right at the top. It's a little perk of being a member. Over here, I'll give you the link to Chevron. Over here, I'll put some other earnings. Maybe the FOMC report, which is about to go live. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. All right then. Bloody hell. How much money we got now then? I feel like Scrooge. How much money have I got now then? All right then. Okay, Meta, Chevron, and then how am I going to get all these videos out? I've really got to get to work. Right, make money. Let's make some money. Most of you said to me, not all of you, but some of you said, you cannot make money by buying only the S&P. You can't do it. It's a load of rubbish. Well, I'm telling you now, you can, because I've made nearly $3,000 today. There's 2.5 there, and there's another, what have I got in my Roth IRA today? There's another 400. Yeah, there's about $3,000 there, because people say, well, I only make 10% a year. Why bother about 10% a year? Yeah, but it's 10% a year every year. In fact, this year, it could be 30%. So it's not just 10% a year. But here's the most important part that everyone misses out. They go, well, I would rather buy Binky Bonk. I would rather buy FFIE on GameStop. Would you? Well, the thing is, if you buy Binky Bonk or GameStop or FFIE or some other rubbish like that, you've got to sell it. Because if you hold on to it, I guarantee everybody else will. I don't have to sell. And when you sell, you pay capital gains tax. So you actually didn't have as much money as you thought you did. And then because you thought you were the greatest investor in the world, you go and buy something else. Next time, it doesn't work out. And now you haven't got money to pay the tax at the end of the year when you get sent your tax bill. Or you could just buy and own the great businesses and never sell and live on the dividends. That's what I do. So how can you possibly be up 2.73% today? That doesn't make any sense. He's making this up. It can't be real. I don't believe it. There's no way he's made $2,000 today. Look, I'm looking at it. The S&P is only up 1.63. What's he doing? Martyn Lucas, he's making it up. He tells lies. He tells lies. It's only up 1.63. He's virtually doubled the market. How has he done that? Is he the greatest investor in the world? Yep. I'm the greatest investor in the world. I don't believe it. How is he doing it? How is that possible? I don't think that's real. I think that's AI. It's made up. Well, you could think like that, or you could just watch the show and find out. I never do options, and I never do short the stock. I just buy and own. That doesn't explain why you're beating the market, why you're doubling it. Hang on a minute. People always say that Warren Buffett is the greatest investor of all time. No, he's not. He's not. He just lived longer and did the right thing for the longest time. That's all. It just doubles and doubles. Once he was 60, the majority of his money was made after he was 60. The same as if I said to you, if I give you a penny or $1 million, what do you want? The penny will double every day for a month. You'll have more money than you would if you took $1 million. It's just doing the right thing for the longest time. And I've been doing it for ages. 6 months as it happens. That's all. But look how it works. Hang on a minute. You still haven't answered how you're doubling the market. You've not done options. You're not shorted the stock. You've not bought FFIE. You're not bought GameStop. You're not buying Binky Bonk. What is going on? How are you doubling the market? Easy. Forget 10, 13% a year. Forget 30% a year on the S&P. Think a 3x by the end of the decade. And then some. Hang on a minute, you're making predictions bigger than Tom Lee. What's going on? Tom Lee said the S&P will 3x by the end of the decade. You're saying, and then some. Now that's too much. I can't cope with this. Yes, I am saying it, and I'm going to stick to saying it. And here is how. It's very, very easy. I left home at 16. It's very, very easy to make money. I've been providing for myself my entire life. Making money is as easy as falling off a log in this world. If you like hard work, I love hard work. I work harder than anyone. 12 hours a day in the studio. Number one. Number two, you never give up. You always stay invested. So you still haven't answered how you're up 2.73. Okay, I'll answer you now then. This is how you do it. If you buy a great business, for me, I own 507 great businesses because the S&P is 507, by the way. At least it is on VU, just to let you know. What I do is, if I just bought every month, which is what most people do when they get paid every month, that's lazy, that's easy, that's okay. That's where the 10 to 13% comes from. Well, how are you doubling it? Hold on, I'm going to tell you. What you do is you react to the macro conditions. Macro conditions are things externally, away from the stocks, away from the market, that are just noise and rubbish. The sort of stuff that you get on the TV to sell, to make sure you watch the channel. The rubbish you get from Meet Kevin. By the way, my training program ends today. It's been ending every day for the last 10 years, mate. Why is it always ending? Because they want to sell you stuff. Our training program is free. So, why are you beating the market? Okay, I've got to it. You react on the macro conditions. One macro condition has become quite infamous now on my show. And remember, I'm not pro-Democrat or pro-Republic. I'm completely neutral. I am a green card holder. I can't vote. I have nothing to say about it either way. I just report the facts. But I do debunk the lies. Donald Trump said when Iran invaded Israel, the United States would come to an end in 48 hours. The world would be at an end in 48 hours. Okay. What happened? The market went down. I got a 4.5% discount with the S&P. What a load of rubbish. What a load of bloody rubbish. If it had come to an end, I wouldn't have cared because I'd have been dead anyway. What a load of rubbish. The companies are still selling phones. Amazon's still delivering to your front door with your bread and cheese, right? Nothing has changed. So it went down 4%. I turned on margin and boom, look, there you go. There's the margin, 52,572. That's why I'm beating the market. It's very, very simple. When it goes up, it amplifies. When it goes down, it amplifies. It goes both ways. But when you get the market sell off because of some bloody rubbish, noise, nonsense, meet Jim Cramer selling get out of Johnson & Johnson's going bankrupt. Rubbish. When you get Meet Kevin trying to sell your life insurance because Donald Trump said the world's going to come to an end. Rubbish. The market went down and I bought. That's where you beat the market. It's no longer 10 to 13%. It's 20, 30, because the 5% reaction bounces straight back up again. Did it? Yes, it did. Does it every time. And then off we go again. We had the same thing with Nvidia yesterday. Went down, everybody rotated and they bought crap on the Russell. Now they're dumping the Russell going, oh, well, that didn't work out very well. I made a bit of money, but now I don't want to own this rubbish company. Well, it was rubbish before you bought it. Just because you bought it and the stock went up didn't make it good, did it? But the stock price went up. The stock price went up because everybody bought it. If everybody jumped over a cliff, the cliff's going to get a really popular place. I'm going to put a stand out selling ice cream. Anybody else want to jump off a cliff? Before you do, buy my ice cream. Oh, I got a run on ice cream today. Everybody wants to jump off a cliff. Roll up, buy your ice cream. Bloody brilliant. So, Basically, you follow the crowd. Absolute rubbish. When Donald Trump a couple of days ago said, Bitcoin, I'm going to fire Gary Gensler. Hang on a minute. Let me see if he can fire Gary Gensler. Research. Can Donald Trump fire Gary Gensler? Let me find out. Let me speak to people who know. Let me speak to lawyers and people like that. So I did. The answer is no. Can't fire Gary Gensler. Loads of people cheered. Bitcoin went up. Then they realized, oh, yeah, I actually can't fire Gary Gensler. Went straight back down again. The moment there's noise, I go the other way. Or, very often, I set myself up an ice cream stand on the edge of the cliff and go, buy my ice cream before you jump. If you're going to jump, can you just buy my ice cream first? Because I'm going to buy the S&P. Well, what do you mean? Why are we all jump? Oh, I don't know. It's what you keep doing. People keep being greedy. People keep lying. Meet Kevin keeps selling you training programs, telling you it's the last day. How can 2 million people, 1.89, I'm sorry, how can 1.89 million people watch Meet Kevin every single day, and he says every single day, last day for my training program, tomorrow it's going to go up. Hang on a minute, he's been saying that every day for the last 6 bloody months. What's going on? The world's going to come to an end. Oh, how many times has Graham Stepan said, oh, you know, Graham Stepan's got a Ferrari in his garage and millions of dollars. You know, Meet Kevin's got a plane sitting outside. They're making loads of money telling you crap. I love it. I love it. This video won't get lots of views because nobody wants to hear the truth. They certainly don't want to hear it makes sense to buy the S&P and you can beat the market and you can make loads of money and you become a millionaire. That's boring, is it? Well, I like boring. I find boring very, very exciting. By the way, click above my head. There's the link for the FOMC report. There's the link down there. I said 18 months ago when Meet Kevin was selling training programs that we're going to get a rate cut in September of 2024. Guess what? We are. I called it before anybody. There you go. Over here, you'll find some other stuff. Over here, you'll find some other stuff. And right about here, you can put in an order for some ice cream. If not, go and buy one of my mugs. These really do exist. And when you buy one of my mugs, I will take the profit from that mug, which is about $2, not very much, and I will put it in the S&P. Thank you very much. Till next time, take care of yourselves and each other. I enjoyed making that. That was quite good. All right. All right. You're the reason why I put 250,000,000. Bloody hell. What the hell's going on here? Right, then shorts. I'm the reason you put $250,000 in Nvidia. Well, in that case, then, you've made yourself about $25,000 today. So at least you could do is give me $100 super chat. I'm just saying, and I'll take that and I'll put that in the S&P. Great stream, thank you very much. Zuckerberg, Amazon is good, up 3.4%. Also 414. Too many comments. Right, shorts, quickly, I've got to get out of here. It's all too much. You can live life too much. Right. So, Meta. M-E-T-A, Meta. You enjoying yourself today? Is everybody enjoying themselves? Everybody making money? Meta, join us after hours. When's after hours? Tonight, July the 31st. I don't know. It's been a crazy day. Making so much money. Can't sit down. I'm literally sat on money. It's amazing. July the 31st, after hours. I just said that. I'll say it again. Join us after hours. You can't keep saying that. I can. There's the link. There's the related event. There's the thing. Yeah, there's the thing. Join us. Congratulations, by the way, Simone Biles, Team USA, rock and roll. Oh, by the way, England beat America in the swimming. I'm just saying, it's not all America. Join us up here. All right, that's Meta. Best job in the world, this. Amazon. No one will watch this video. No one's going to watch a short on Amazon. Rich people who buy Amazon, like my mate who's a millionaire, he doesn't care about videos. He's just sat on the beach. Doesn't ever watch videos. Doesn't matter, making it anyway. Amazon, join us for August the 1st, after hours. You can't afford to miss it, can you, really? It's the Amazon earnings when we get to hear all about Amazon earnings. It's funny that. All right, down here is the related video. It's called the related video. It lets you link to, just click it. Try it now. Click on it. It'll take you to the Amazon earnings. It's amazing. Right there is the chart. Exciting, right? And lastly, my God, how am I going to get all this done? CVX. You know why? Because I work harder than everybody else. That's why. Chevron. My poor wife had to put up with this. She's through the other side of the house in the east wing. It's not really the east wing. It's just behind the magic curtain, which isn't really a magic curtain. It's just a little bit of cloth. She's through there thinking, I'm trying to work here. I could have married someone much more sensible than this. Could have married someone who doesn't shout all day on YouTube. I'm sick of it. I'm going to divorce the bugger. Get rid of him. That'll shut him up. Right. Chevron Oil. Join us for oil. Why? We like getting covered in the black stuff. We want to know if we can make some money. One of our biggest investors, Stephen Lewandowski, will be here. Join him. He knows all about oil. Prefers another one, but too bad. We're doing Chevron. I like Chevron more. Why? I don't know. I like anything that begins with the word sh, so I chose that. Click down here for the link to the event, the earnings, and click right above there for the chart. Try and do that in your sleep. If I do it that way, I don't get a shadow on my face. Is that better? That's better. Click there. All right, there you go. Right. Okay, I'm done. Cup of tea time, isn't it? Is it cup of tea time? I done got 2 medals. First time in about 100 years. There you go. I forgot to mention that. You're bloody right. Okay, I've got to go. So this is what we're going to do. You need to, are you paying attention, right? You've got to pay attention right now. If you don't pay attention, you won't know what's going on. If you don't know what's going on, you're not paying attention. If you're not paying attention, you don't know what's going on. The scenario goes around and around. Sicario, welcome to Silver. Sicario, thank you ever so much for becoming a member. Are you still here? Before I go, I've got to give you your perks. Sicario. No, not Simon Meadows. Wrong one. Sicario. No, he's not here. I think he's watching a video somewhere. He's become a member just by watching a channel, watching a video. It's amazing. Sicario, if you come into my show, I'll give you all your perks and benefits. Till then, I can't because you're not here. Right, pay attention, folks. Yes. Thank you, Smoky Fats. Bloody right. Okay, is everyone paying attention? Listen, Smoky Fats has told you. Everybody on TikTok. Do you understand what's going on? You've only seen the side of my face. Next time, join me on YouTube. It's rubbish on TikTok. All you see is my ear looking at YouTube. I don't get it. I don't get why anyone watches me on TikTok. I don't get it, but they do. Right, okay. This is what's going to happen. Going to give you the link now. We're about to start the FOMC report. Live, rate cuts. We're going to see it live. We're going to do it live. You cannot miss it. If you miss it, well, you've got no place in being an investor, quite honestly. You shouldn't be here. This isn't the channel for you. You should be going sat on the beach, which sounds quite nice, actually. Right, so what we're going to do, we're going to send you here. Automatically, right, it's called the extra channel. Right, there it is. I'll pin it to the top. Right, there it is. Extra channel, pinned to the top. You see it, right? You got it. Everyone paying attention. We're going to go there now automatically. I'll give it to all my guests on Rumble. They won't want to join me because they say, no, I'm not watching anything on YouTube. Well, then you miss out. I can't. What can I say to you? I'm just telling you how it is. Right? I can't have an extra channel on Rumble. Just not worth it at the moment. Hopefully I will one day. Right now, I ain't. Right? So come and join me. This is the extra channel. This is where we're going to be right now. This is behind the scenes. This is my radio show. You can hear what's going on. You can be in the chat. You know what's going on, right? You can tell everybody about the stocks, how it's moving. I can come back live and make an update if necessary, okay? I'm then going to put these videos out, but still keep talking to you. I'm still going to be with you. I'm going to be updating all the news, and I'm going to be checking in my Bloomberg and everything else as we go throughout the morning. The moment I start the FOMC report, and I will go early, I will go as soon as I put these videos out, I will go early, I will give you the link in the extra channel. That's why you want to be in there. If you're wandering around somewhere in the cyberspace, lost, and you're not in the extra channel, you won't know when we've gone live. You'll miss it. You won't be able to talk to the members and find out that Nvidia has just crashed and dumped and we're going to get rate cuts and rate hikes. You'll miss all of that. You won't have a bloody clue what's going on. So join us in the extra channel right now. So I'm going to say goodbye. There's the goodbye screen. You like that? That's the goodbye screen. I'm going to roll the credits because I want to thank the people that became members today. There's got to be something great to say. Let's have a little look. The stars of our show today, and that's supposed to work, but it didn't. That's rubbish. I know why, because I pressed that. Now I've got to roll it again. The stars of our show today. There you go. New subscribers, Alex, Lau, Jackie, AK, Sky, Bart, Tangerine, Maypen, Clarendon. New members, Florida Boy Survival and Sicario. Thank you very much indeed. I'm not going to thank you that much because I didn't get any super chats and I thought I put on a really good show. Clearly not. Didn't get any super chats. Can't buy any more SMP. Very upset. Never mind. 4 hours of entertainment. Didn't earn $1. Oh, well, never mind. Maybe tomorrow. Okay. Hopefully you will check hologram. I will check hologram if you are a member of my channel. I have to prioritize the members. You're not, so I can't. I've already reviewed it. I'll happily review it again, but I have to focus and review the things that my members ask for. That's the priority, I'm afraid, of my show. Okay, I'm here to take care of the members. All right? So here we go. I'm going to end the show now. Send you to the extra channel. Please do join me. Get ready for an explosive afternoon. I'll talk to you. I'll be with you live. And then I will give you the link because I'm going to go early for the FOMC report. We'll get some more information and you don't want to miss it. Join me now on the extra channel. Remember, it's viewable by everyone. If you want to chat in the extra channel, it's 99 cents. It's members only to chat. You can listen, watch, but if you want to chat, it's 99 cents. And we do that for the reason that we don't want scammers and bots and trolls and people like that idiot earlier on coming saying, buy Tilray. It's gonna, no, not Tilray. That's a good stock. But buy Lucid. It's going to make you rich in 5 minutes, just so we can dump it on you. We don't want people like that in there. That's not helpful. That's not going to help anybody. That's just going to help them, and we don't want it. So we put up a 99 cent paywall, and it stopped all the idiots. So that's why we do it. All right, see you back in a bit. Ta-ra for now. Take care of yourselves and each other. I love this.